G'day guys, Greg here from attitudetrading.com. Glad to have you on board here to watch this short video I have for you today. So it's all about 5 steps that you can take to improve your trading, as I've stated there, starting today. So let's jump into it. So being a successful forex trader, or any trader for that matter, it really involves more than just trading the markets. As with any profession, there's a lot of preparation that goes into being on the big stage, so to speak. And look, trading is no different. It's all about preparing yourself so you can make the right decisions, when it really matters. To validate my point here, let's just look at any professional athlete at the top level. They're all about preparation. For you to get to the level that you want with your trading, you need to be able to be focused and ready for when it really counts. Now, I've put together 5 important steps that you can take and should implement into your trading to get yourself ready for the big stage, so to speak. And they are what I'd like to call a pre-routine or preparation. And yes, these things do work. As I said with the athlete, just quickly I'll explain why trading is very similar. Becoming the top athlete in the world, or any top athlete for that matter, really involves getting yourself into a routine and preparing yourself on a daily basis. Now, to do this in trading, this could be in the form of back testing, and just really preparing yourself and getting yourself ready for when the trading opportunity comes. So there's a lot of similarities when it comes to being a top athlete and also being a top trader as well. So we'll continue on. So know your price action. This is really important, and some of you might think, well, this is pretty obvious. But you'd be surprised at how many novice or new traders don't really take this into consideration. So a successful trader always knows what's happening in the market that they're actually trading. Knowing your charts, previous day's price action and price points are really vital to your trading success. And when you think about it, how are you supposed to know where the markets might go when you don't actually know where it's previously been? So study your markets, know it like the back of your hand. Obviously, it can only benefit you in the long run, of course. Another really important factor that a lot of people don't take into consideration, especially when they're new into trading, is know your economic calendar. So listen, have you ever taken a trade which is everything going for it, only for it to reverse on you because of a major announcement that was released around about the same time, that you actually didn't know about? And look, yes, that's happened to me too in the past, and it will happen to others that don't actually pay attention. So take it from one trader that knows. It can be a costly lesson to learn, so just take this into consideration. It's really, really important. So make sure, as I said, always be aware of any announcement that may be coming up that could affect the trading opportunity or the pair that you're actually trading, or any market that you're actually trading. Now, the site that I've found that I keep an eye on for economic releases is a site called forexfactory.com. They list on their homepage major announcements, and although there are others out there that will give you what you need to know, this one I find seems to work quite nicely. So know your technical levels. You'll find these areas on the weekly charts and of course the daily charts. Now, the weekly charts are a key, as they give you a real insight into what may happen in future price action. These levels that I'm talking about are your support and resistance levels, major candlestick patterns, and other technical patterns that you find throughout the market, whether that's on the larger time frames or on the smaller time frames. But as I said, we're referring to the larger time frames here because this gives us a little heads up, so to speak. So one of the major reasons traders fail to create consistent profits is because they fail to anticipate possible trades that they would have seen if they actually did their homework, only to see the setup or the trade when it's too late. Now, a way around this is to always keep notes next to you on your desk, or you can keep a trading journal, whatever you feel comfortable with, of what's actually happening as it happens, and review it on a daily basis. This is really important, and it's also really important to put this down on paper as it declutters your mind, because you need your mind to be as focused as it can be to be able to trade the way that you want to trade. Which brings me to the next point, which keep yourself mentally focused. So when I'm saying mentally focused, I'm referring to getting yourself away from the screen and freshen your body and mind. This will keep you focused, of course, allowing you to make much better trading decisions when the time comes. Ideally, what I'm talking about here is some form of exercise that can be a real benefit to you. Now, this could be a good walk, a workout at the gym, meditation, yoga, or even a swim, or just, getting away from the screen and refreshing your mind. Look, at anything to keep you at the top of your game, to me, is just a given. It just makes sense. So just get your body moving. Basically, just get your body moving. It wasn't designed to just sit around and do nothing. So basically, if you're moving your body, it allows your blood circulation to circulate through your body, through your brain, which can really allow you to focus at the top of your game. And at the end of the day, that's what we need to do. Look, anything that you can do to add to the ability to be able to trade successfully, I'm all for. And here's another really good point: visualization. Some of you might think, well, excellent, but it's not for me. But just hear me out for a sec. So reprogramming the mind through visualization is a great exercise to prepare yourself for the trading week or trading session. By just taking only 5 minutes a day, it can really help your trading performance. So picture this. This is the type of visualization. Just imagine your trading account, or you're trading large amounts of money. Now I'm talking 500,000 here, 100,000, whatever you wish. Now take into account all the possible scenarios that might happen in the market while you're trading. And just think for a second the feeling of having a $1 million account in this example, or a $500,000 or $100,000 account, whatever you feel comfortable with. And I bet it feels good, doesn't it? The thought of actually having that money at your disposal really has a good ring to it, I'm sure. So bring that mentality into your trade, in your current situation, and see what happens. If you can practice this on a daily basis for a week or so, I believe you'll be in a position to make much better trading decisions. So basically that's it, and I really hope that I've given you some good information here that you can take away and apply to your trading. Now, for more information on forex trading, mindset trading, or even trading system that you can trade, visit my site attitudetrading.com. I've got some free information there that I'm sure you'll enjoy and be able to put to good use. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully chat to you soon.